Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with We Is the Future, where we're spending more time with the family and we are doing healthy recipes and great reviews. Today we wanted to give you a tip, trick, and secret on how to get 18% more juice with the same vegetables and fruits that you're doing. Okay, so you see right here we just did a big 7-cup thing of juice here. We made our morning juice. Our mom is here for Thanksgiving. She's spending some time, so we made a little bit extra juice. And she enlightened us on a little secret. And this little secret is, whenever you are juicing, just take your pulp from the pulp chute, run it one more time, and you will have the ability to get more delicious juice. And the great thing about this is nutrients that you might have thrown down the drain, and you can ingest this now, and it will give you the ability to have more vitamins and minerals for you and your family. So once again, thank you so much for watching. If you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up. As always, if you like this, throw it on Google Plus and Facebook. And please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin. And as always, make sure you're spending quality time with your family so you can enjoy your life. We'll talk to you soon.